Hi, today I'm going to talk about a very important organ which is the engine of our body, that is liver. We all know liver has a massive function in our body, right? Right from digestion, metabolizing, manufacturing of new compounds in the body, there is so much. But do we actually think of detoxifying or eliminating these toxins which accumulate in our liver over a period of time? And do you know that if there are a lot of toxins, or our liver is loaded with toxins, what happens? It somewhere messes up with our cholesterol, it causes fatigue, it causes weight gain, it causes digestive issues. So today I'm going to give you some tips to cleanse your liver on a regular basis. They are very easy tips which you can follow on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and you'll see that your liver functions in much better way. Your SGPT, SGOT, if they're on a higher side, they also come in the normal range. So one thing what I would want you to do is include a vegetable juice in your diet on a regular basis. If not every day, try and have it at least alternate day. So what all vegetables? Maybe one or two green leaf vegetable like celery, parsley, mint, coriander, spinach, any one or two of these. Along with that, carrot, loki. It's a summer vegetable. It's very good to cleanse the liver. A little bit of ginger. Okay, so grind them all together. Do not put them in a juicer. Grind them all together in a mixer with little bit of water and strain it in a soup sieve. And to make it like palatable, put in little dash of lime or maybe a jeera powder to it. So try and have at least, if not every day, thrice a week. Two is include a lot of raw vegetables in your diet. Now salads, especially when there's lettuce, there's carrot, there's radish, there's onion, there's tomato, try and include salad, that is raw vegetables, in your diet on a regular basis. Three is fasting. It's important to give a rest to your liver, to your digestive system. So the resting could be like what I'm saying is fasting. Fasting is not eating, but giving up grain, lactose, and maybe dal on that particular day. So maybe once in a week, or maybe 2 days in a month, or once in 15 days, try and have just vegetables, fruits, vegetable clear soup, vegetable juices, and if you're very hungry, maybe a bit of dal, and avoid completely any kind of grains, that is atta or rice or any grains, and any kind of lactose product. So these things will cleanse up your liver, make it healthy, and make your stuck weight go down, and it will also help to if there is any kind of cholesterol issues, you may see the lipid profile also falling in a good range.